Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Coinbase app not showing balance just dot, privacy blur, hidden balances and loading fix. Fix 1. Toggle privacy mode. Open the Coinbase app and go to the home tab and tap and hold your finger on a dot for 3 seconds. Your balance should appear. Fix 2. Change app setting. Open the Coinbase app and tap on the profile icon in the top left corner. Select setting from the menu, tap on privacy, toggle hidden balances to off position. Fix 3. Force refresh the app. Close the Coinbase app completely and swipe it away from your recent apps menu. Relaunch the app to sync your data. Fix 4. Clear app cache Android only. Open your phone setting and navigate to apps and select Coinbase. Tap storage and clear cache. Fix 5. Re-authenticate your account. Go to your Coinbase settings, scroll down and tap sign out and restart your mobile phone and log back in with your credential. Thanks for watching.